Hello class. Today's lesson is going to be a twofer. We're going to read two articles in one. We're going to read from the packet of the news to you. Looks like this. Remember last week when we read the article called Sharing Happiness and answered the questions? Well, this week we're going to read two of the shorter articles for the week. This one is called Coronavirus, and the other one we're going to read, this one's just one page, and the other one called Neighborhoods, which is just one page. So since they're so short, we're just going to read them together in the same video. There aren't comprehension questions to answer for this. We only need the packet, or you can just listen along with me while I read it. So here we go. We're going to start with the article. The title is Illness in the News. So that would be the title in our article in the newspaper. The title is Coronavirus. And it says, the coronavirus is a new illness. People want to stop the spread of the coronavirus. So that's what we're hearing about right now in the news. That's why we're living the way that we're living, because we want to stop the spread of the coronavirus. They are staying home to help stop the spread. That's us. That's what we're doing. The coronavirus makes some people very sick, so we don't want people to get sick. It spreads quickly from person to person. So that is some information, and that's that is why we are staying safer at home, and why we're staying 6 feet apart from people when we're around them, and why some stores are closed, and some parks are closed, and some big places that we would usually go, like school, are closed right now. So that's some information about the coronavirus right now. Let's turn the page and read the article called Neighborhoods. This one says, people are sharing happiness in their neighborhoods. That's like what we talked about last week in the Sharing Happiness article. It says a neighborhood is a community. A community is a group of people with things in common. So neighborhood, you have the thing in common of living in the same area. People live near each other in neighborhoods. And a neighborhood may have houses, apartment buildings, trees, sidewalks, and street lights. So that's maybe what some of our neighborhoods look like. Each neighborhood looks a little different and has its own kind of flavor, its own aesthetic, the way that it looks. So that's a little bit about neighborhoods, because we might be hearing more about people staying in their neighborhood and maybe just going for a walk in their neighborhood, or like we learned about last week, people sharing happiness, right? Putting teddy bears in their window or putting holiday lights up at their house. So that's things that people are doing in their neighborhood to share happiness, while sometimes it doesn't seem so happy when we're talking about coronavirus stuff. So your parents are here for you, I'm here for you, your school is here for you, and we're just kind of doing what we can to learn the most about coronavirus and how we can stay happy and healthy during this time. All right, great job, everybody, reading the coronavirus and neighborhoods article. All right, great job. See you next lesson. Bye.